Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today the big market I'm going to reveal over here. You can see a best website for the drop shipping. Its name is also the Shopify. Shopify is one of the most biggest selling product website in all over the globe, and also a lot of people are getting the opportunity to get that things. Like, we have the interface over here. You can see the interface of the dropshipping website. Here we go. We can also put our Gmail over here. This is the interface. We can get the free trial of the website, and the minimum payment approximately $12 or $18 per month if you want to get a store on the Shopify, and you can amend the Shopify store by your own. Look, there is also some kind of categories, like they are telling to us how does the drop shipping works. This is entire of the products, entire of the lines, entire of the paragraph. You can see, with drop shipping app, products shipping directly from the supplier to your customer. This is their slogan actually, and they are doing that with their selves. As you know, there is also some kind of all categories and also some kind of steps that they are telling you. In first step, what you have to do, your customer places an order from your online store. This is the first step in drop shipping. The customer come on your store and just places the order. And the second step is this: your store automatically send the order to your dropshipping supplier. This is one of the most best feature for your dropshipping store, and it works really fast. And you don't know, but the customer has been just clicked and the automatically message went to the supplier. And the third step, one of the most important step on the third step, like that, your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer order. If you're sleeping, you have the order, your supplier is just doing that, you don't know, but you are earning the money. This is the charm of the dropshipping store. And the fourth but not the least step is dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer without its name. This is one of the best thing, that without its name he's just going to send the order without its own name. The name would use of your store, the name would use by yourself, so he will send the order. This is the main and manufacturing sites over here. Look, top drop shipping apps. Look, these are the apps. I will also give you the review on that apps too, but I am just going to tell you about this for next video. Thank you. Okay, there is also something more over here. Find the right products for your business.